para po maging Certified Adobe Creative Educator, ang unang step po na kailangan natin gawin ay mag-register sa edX.adobe.com. Then, dito po sa right side, i-click nyo po ang sign in. Kung meron na kayong account, pwede na po kayong dumiretso sa sign in. Or, pwede po tayong mag-continue with Google. Okay, and there you go. Ako po ay nakapag-sign in na ng aking account. Once po na naka-sign in na tayo, pwede na tayong pumunta sa professional learning. Okay, at dito po makikita natin ang creativity for all. I-click lang po yan. So ito po ay self-paced, so meaning at your own time, pwede po kayo mag-aral. So as you can see, i-click lang po ang enroll now. Start na po tayo by clicking the intro and overview. Ayan, so basahin nyo lang po yan. Mas maganda po kung mapapanood nyo yung mga videos na meron po sa course na to para mas maintindihan nyo po. Then, once po na matapos nyo na, click lang po ang next. Okay? So, once po na maklik nyo ang next, automatic po, dito sa ating left side is mag-check na po siya. So, as you can see, na-check na po ang intro and overview, meaning tapos na po tayo sa topic na yon. And we still have up to 11 topics po. Okay? So, ayan, pakibasa na lang po iyan. Once na matapos nyo na pong basahin at aralin itong Creativity for All topics, so, dito na po tayo sa ating assignment. As you can see, nakalagay po dyan, if you want to receive an Adobe Creative Badge, you can apply what you have learned to create an original graphic using Adobe Spark. Okay, so, mamaya po mag-layout tayo ng Adobe Spark. So, which responds to one of these prompts. So, how will you support your students' creativity? Ayan, pwede po kayong pumili. Or yung next question naman is, what is your goal as creative educator? Okay, so to complete this optional assignment and receive your status as Adobe Creative Educator, please complete the following. Okay, so pwede po tayong gumamit dito ng Adobe Spark, Photoshop, or Illustrator. Basta, we should create an original graphic which responds to either of the prompts above. Alright, so gagawa na po tayo ng ating assignment. Ang napili ko po ay ito, what is your goal as a creative educator? So, paste ko lang po siya dyan. Then, I will answer po, to promote a happy and engaging online classes. Okay, then what else? So, let's say, ayan na po ang aking sagot. Then, continue. Okay, ayan. So, nakalagay po dito, drag and drop your files. Pwede tayo maglagay dyan image. Let's say, ang i-upload ko po is yung ginawa kong image kanina. So, hanapin po natin sa ating download. At, ayan po. So, wait lang po tayo mag-upload. Then, click done. Okay, diba? Cute kaya. So, ayan na po ang aking assignment. Just click on next. Okay, so next is, meron po tayo ditong peer review. In peer review, kailangan meron po tayong tatlo na malagyan ng comment or let's review their artwork. Let's say kay Sir Mark. Ayan, may goal. Okay, so, sagot po tayo dito. Okay, na-check ko na po. At ayan, may isa na po akong check. So, mamaya po, tatlo kailangan yung magagawa natin. At ayan po, nagkaroon na ako ng tatlong check sa aking peer review. And I will wait for 1 day up to 2 weeks in time para ma-check ni Adobe ang aking sinubmit na template or output. So, after 2 days, itanggap ko na ang result ng aking Adobe Certified Creative Educator at ayan na po. So, your level 1 certificate, badge, and profile photo. Okay? Ayan. So, you've earned a badge from Adobe Education. So, tayo po ay Adobe Creative Educator Level 1. Issuer is Adobe Education. Kung nakatulong sa inyo ang tutorial na ito, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell button para lagi kang updated sa mga post ko. Thank you!